In this guide, I'll show you how to add bots to custom games in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So the first thing you want to do is back out to this home menu area, and then you want to scroll on over and select Private Match, Custom Match, and go to Create Private Match. Now this is going to load up your character, and once it's loaded up, what you want to do is select the plus icon in the top right corner under Team 2, and when you do this, after your character loads, it's going to give you the option to add bots. So I'm going to press this plus sign here, and here you'll see add bots. You can add all the way up to 12 bots in your lobby, and you can also adjust their difficulty as well here. Then you just want to go to confirm, and then I recommend you go to game setup in the bottom left corner, and this is where you'll be able to customize which map and game mode you're playing on. So I'm going to select free for all, and I'm just going to go with this map here, and you can also adjust the game rules. Then once you're happy, just go to Start Match. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.